Hi, I'm the woman in your life. Happy Women's Day, and today I was thinking, why should someone celebrate me? What makes me the kind of woman that need to be celebrated, that deserve a special day? I came on a point. Throughout my life, you were there for me in countless ways. You were there when I failed my maths exam. Who gets 5 out of 100? And you are here when I'm teaching my son how to count. Thank you, Daddy, for not being the conventional father figure. Thank you for not teaching me how to live my life. Thank you for letting me make my mistakes. Thank you for not laughing on me on my failed relationship or my terrible tattoo choices. Thank you. When someone meets me and they say I'm the nicest person they have met, I want to tell them that I get it from my dad. I get it from you, Daddy. And I will forever in debt with you. I can never repay you. And I want it that way. Then I can repay you with love and all those small installments, and I can hold you forever. Thank you for being there with just love sometimes. No judgments and sometimes even no guidance. I can proudly say that I'm your daughter, and thank you for being much more than you were required or you were expected to be. One person who will never judge me in my life is you, my brother. You never fought for me. No danga, no nothing. But you taught me good how to deal with my own fights. You taught me good how to deal when life gets hard. And I think that makes sense. You never solved my problems, but you made sure I can count on you. You were always a call away whenever I wanted to cry my heart out. Thank you for telling me that I am no princess, and if I want to be noticed in the world, I have to prove myself. I have to hustle hard. And thank you for looking after me all the time where I was supposed to be the mature one. But then you understood. And in all these years, I understood that everything changes. One thing which is constant is you and me, the love I have for you. Thank you for making me strong, my bro. Thank you. It's easy for someone to love someone perfect, beautiful. But loving someone who's a mess like me must be tough. So thank you. You saw my flaws, looked at my mistakes, and still held my hand. Thank you, my love, for not giving up on me. You taught me how crying does not make me weak, how I can make my own mistakes. Because of you, I dare to dream. Because of you, I started my business or even smile without a worry. Thank you for telling me men are not the strongest pieces and that women are not supposed to handle everything alone. Thank you for believing everything I said, which never made sense. Thank you for not being the Raj to my Simran, because you're Chandra to my Monica. And trust me, that is way better. You made me what I am right now. Thank you. Now, few men are related to me by blood, and one of them held my hand for eternity. Now comes the men who do not get anything from me. Loving me without any compulsion. The selfless love we read in books and we watch in movies. Pyar dosti hai. Thank you for being there at my worst. Thank you for picking me up 3 at night, and thank you for being there sometimes 2 at those sunny afternoons. Thank you for telling me that men can love with all the passion and still not expect a thing from women. From reading rape stories every day, I am so glad that men like you still exist. You are my constant hope. You are not afraid of showing your true self. You cry in front of me, discuss your insecurities and your worst fears. You know, you're that scene in my life which I keep going back whenever I feel bad. You give me peace. Thank you for being my sunshine and sometimes my rainbow as well. Thank you, my best friend. Wherein these men shape my life and made me who I am. But I cannot ignore that the majority part of how I am right now goes to my son. I wonder how such a little creature can hold so much love. How he can just hug sometimes and end all the fights. That is how life is without ego, right? He is adorable. And all the men I mentioned above, I really want my son to learn things from you. I really want him to treat his daughter, his sister, his wife, his friend the way you all treated me. And I am sure that he will learn all these things from you. At last, I want to thank every individual who listen to a woman in their life without any judgment, love without any condition, teach them without making them feel small, and even check on them without them asking. We need more of you. So happy Women's Day, every woman out there, and happy Women's Day to every man who wants to celebrate women in their life. Thank you.